Hello, my name is Marquise Knox, and I want to show you some of the things that I do when I'm in open tuning. Some Muddy Water, Robert Johnson type licks. On the earlier demonstration, I showed you that we slide down to the 12th fret. Well, this is the money bag. This is where all the good notes are at. So on songs like Can't Be Satisfied, I'm going away to live, won't be back no more. Going back down south, child, now don't you want to go? And if you paid attention to that one, you'll see that when you come back to the 12th fret, you can play a lot of more Muddy Water songs. This one of my favorite, Feel Like Going Home. It's real simple on the 12th fret. Now, to get this, very simple. That's on the E string, 12th fret. Coming to the B string, and then the G, all on the 12th fret. And we do a little walk back on the G string to the 9th fret. Then take the slide, come up to the 5th fret on the G, back to the 3rd fret and hit it open. That's a nice Muddy Water sound. And another one that you want to learn, no matter who you're playing, if they're going to go to the 1, 4, and the 5, you have to learn how to play this right here. And that's simple. We're going to the 5th fret, A and D, back to the 3rd fret on the A string and hitting it open. So in a lot of songs, you may hear them go like this. You know the gypsy woman told me, be your mother's bad luck child. You know the gypsy woman told me, don't be your mother's bad luck child. Having a good time now, that's the 7th fret, A and the D. Woo, but there be troubles out the while, 5th fret, back to the 3rd fret. And there's a little chord that you can play behind yourself. And you normally find this on songs like Louisiana Blues. He's saying, so the song would practically go. Well, I'm gonna Louisiana, baby, behind the sun. Going back to that, what I showed you earlier, so important to know that. Just found out, that's the A on the 7th fret. My trouble just begun. And this is simple. Ring finger, 3rd fret, A string. Middle finger, D string, 2nd fret. Hitting the G open, and then your index finger on the B string, 1st fret, and then you'll have a chord. Then you can come back to your open tuning and hit your G and the E and do whatever you want to do. just a few things you could learn.